So today we have the Safeguard Pro Tire Dressing and Protection Kit, VAC104. And the kit comes with a sponge, the solution, Safeguard solution itself, and 2 microfiber cloth. And there's also instruction in the back for you to follow right here. The instructions are fairly simple. You want to apply the solution onto the sponge and you just wipe it directly onto your tire. You can use the sponge and the cloth to wipe it with the solution. And that's it. The process of this is really simple. All you need is the sponge that we provided right here and the solution. And all you gotta do is just pour the solution onto the sponge. All right, so you just gotta pour a little bit, kind of like this, onto the sponge. Okay, so right now after you put the solution onto the sponge, all you gotta do is kind of rub it on the outside rim of the tire and try not to apply it onto the rim, but just the tire itself. All right, so now we're gonna do the other wheels. Same process. You're gonna apply. Just pour a little bit onto the sponge. I just wanna go around the outside rim, outside of the tire. Alright, so we just applied the first coating of the tire dressing and protection for this. But if you want to do more, you wait about 5 to 10 minutes and you can come back and do a second coating if you want to. So right now, this is what we're doing. We're going to apply a second coat right to it. So it's the same process. You just apply the solution onto the sponge applicator and just apply another coating.